Hello children, I hope you all are good. Today we are learning about alphabet. So let's start. A for alligator. B for banana. C for crocodile. B for dinosaurs. E for eagle. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jack. K for kite. N for lamb. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for green. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.